In S3D, we can also generate wind load for open frames or signs. In this example, I'll be using this model and then show you how to do it. We just need to select ASCE 716 and click Start. So I'll be putting the same data, just the same process that we had in the standalone version. So the difference is once I click this open sign, I can I will put the ground to top of open frame. Let's say this is still the ratio of the solid area to gross area. So this is the worst case. I want to get the maximum net force coefficient, so I'll just set it to 0.1, and then I'll define the member data. The difference in using the wind load calculation in for open frames in S3D is we have this detect member data, which will automatically get all the section depth and the orientation and the member bottom elevation and member top elevation data for each. The only thing that we need to do is make sure that the section type is well defined. So actually everything is rounded, or all the member sections are rounded. So we need to just copy and paste the the values here. I'll just select each, and then I'll just copy. Since the member sections are rounded, so that's what we need to do. Oops. Also, take note that the section depth is the maximum value of the section width and section depth that is defined in the section data assigned to each member. So this one, we can just put it as is for now, or you can just edit it for more appropriate value. Once everything is okay, I just need to click close and then confirm section structure data. Same process in the wind load. I'll just select anything or for exposure and wind source direction, and then select this one. And then I want to divide the pressures for at elevation 1, 4, 7, and 10. 1, 4, 7, 10. And then I've calculated the frequency earlier for mode 1. I'll put 2.4 here, and then just click calculate generate loads. Since this is calculated as 0.898, either I adapt this one or maybe I just use one for more conservative value. Then click confirm with parameters. Once everything is done, just click this calculate loads button. In S3D, it's since it's not or it's inevitable that you have a lot of member data, so it's summarized as a table. Then when you click this button, you can view the wind pressure acting on that member. Okay, so this is the schematic diagram of the load applied to the member. And then what I'll do is click this assign loads to structure. So either you can just click this add member load and then select the axis, select direction. What you can do here is two, three different ways. So you can just put, say, let's say I'll put member 8, member 17, and then member 18. And then I just click commit loads. Oops, I need to select negative Z. So this is the applied load there. Or also you can do what you can do is let's say 10 to 20, and then just click. Uh, so here, the members 10, uh, let me just turn off. So members 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 14, 13. We cannot see it since this value or this distributed load is applied to the parallel to the direction of the member. So definitely we this is not okay. What I can do is just use the third method, which is I'll remove first load and then I'll select from left, pressing control from left or from right to left, down, up, down. So I will select these members and then click this input field. So all the selected member IDs there will be put here, and then I'll just need to click commit loads. So you can see that the loads are applied only to the selected member IDs. Also, you can do another load case, which is, let's say I will select, or I will select this one, these members. Take note that the ASCE 7 doesn't allow shielding, so definitely you can just apply all the wind pressure here and then just click apply. Since it's a lot of distributed loads, it will definitely take a while. So the loads are applied to the selected members for X direction. So from that, you can already create your load combination or edit everything and then update everything. Take note that the pressures here, for example, in member 1 is multiplied by the section depth that's being used and then applied as distributed load. And then after this, you can just go back to S3D and analyze the structure. And that's how you use the load generator for generating the wind load on open frames or signs using ASCE 716.